Tweety, sleepy? Are you sleepy? Here you go, night-night? Night-night? Tweety, sleepy? Here you go, night-night? Uh-oh, your cage is still open. Tweety, are you ready to go night-night? You sleepy? Tweety, sleepy? Are you not going to talk for me? It's because I have the camera, isn't it? Tweety, sleepy? Night-night. Look, Mommy's got your blankie. Sleepy? Night-night. Night-night, Tweety. Ready to go sleepy? Sleepy. Hi, baby. Mommy, see you. Yeah. Pretty Tweety. It's not morning, it's time for sleepy. Silly bird. You ready to go sleepy? Night-night. You gonna drink some water now? You thirsty? He has a brand new water bottle. Mommy didn't close his cage good. He has a brand new water bottle and he loves it. And I love it too because I don't have to change his water every day. Only when it's gone. And that is awesome. Oh, you ready to come give Mommy night-night kisses? Is that what's the matter? Well, come on. Here, come out. Come give Mommy a kiss. Come on. No, we'll go to bed then. Go get in bed. Come on, let's go. Come to bed. Come on. Come on, Tweety. I pat on his bed and he comes to bed. Usually. Yeah, I'm still recording. Come to bed. Come on. Ew, don't drink that. Yuck. No, no, no. Mommy's gonna take it. You go drink your water. This is yucky water. Ew. There you go. Tweety, bedtime. Don't you want to go to bed? Aren't you sleepy? You've been up for a long time today. Sleepy. Here you go, night-night. Night-night. Sleepy? Night-night, Tweety. Night-night. Sleepy? Sleepy? Yeah, pretty Tweety. Ready to go night-night? Sleepy. Aren't you sleepy? Are you gonna stay sleepy? Figures. When I want him to say it, he doesn't say it. Yeah, he said good morning, but you know, it's not morning. Sleepy. Yeah, I know, pretty. I know, but aren't you sleepy? Aren't you sleepy? Sleepy. You're not sleepy. Okay, we'll try again later because he's not tired yet.